Want to text someone in WhatsApp without saving their number in your device? In this video, I will guide you through how can you do that. When you want to text someone in WhatsApp, you have to save their number in your contact. Then you have to open your WhatsApp and search them from WhatsApp and text them. This is too much time consuming to text someone in WhatsApp. Let's know the easiest way to text someone without saving their number. First, open your browser. Then in the address bar, type wa.me/, then enter the country code. Like if you're texting someone in USA, you have to type 1 for country code. Note add the plus before the country code. Now type the number of the person whom you want to text. Now in the keyboard, tap here to run the link. Now you will see a page like this. Here just tap on continue. Now it will automatically open WhatsApp with the person number. Now you can text them from here without saving their number. That's how you can text someone in WhatsApp without saving their number in your device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.